Many companies, from seafood harvesters to major brands and retailers, have publicly committed to responsible sourcing, recognizing that it requires both voluntary market actions and compliance with government regulations. Yet the global seafood trade is complex, and businesses often face high risks, including illegal fishing, labor exploitation, and weak fisheries governance, which can compromise the integrity of the entire supply chain. The rules that govern how seafood is caught, processed, and traded are often complicated, making it difficult for even well-intentioned companies to know how to make their voices heard. Without a clear path to advocate for more effective and readily implementable policies, the system remains vulnerable, undermining sustainability, fair competition, and consumer trust. FishWise created the Advocacy Toolkits for the seafood industry to bridge that gap. This toolkit is a free online resource designed to help seafood companies use their voice to advocate for effective, workable regulations. Here, you'll find sector-specific toolkits designed for importers, exporters, brokers, and end buyers, each offering clear guidance on how to engage in advocacy that drives meaningful policy change. Let's take a closer look at the Importer Toolkit, designed specifically for you if you're the importer of record and therefore on the front line of U.S. seafood trade compliance. This toolkit is here to educate and empower importers. It helps you understand the United States' current import control rules, highlights topics that impact importers' day-to-day operations, and supports meaningful engagement with policymakers and other stakeholders. The toolkit covers several U.S. trade programs, including the Marine Mammal Protection Act import provisions and 4 seafood import control programs, specifically outlining the function of each program and how those programs impact importers of record. Importers occupy a unique position in the seafood supply chain. They are responsible for complying with multiple U.S. import control and trade monitoring regulations. Because of this experience, importers have valuable insights and perspectives on policy design and enforcement. The Advocacy Topics of Interest tab highlights key areas that seafood importers care about and where they have valuable input to offer. Each toolkit highlights a focus area that is relevant to its audience. For importers, FishWise chose the Seafood Import Monitoring Program to dive a little deeper. This tab highlights updates to SIMP, details how the program may evolve, and shows concrete ways that industry voices can inform policy decisions. The final tab in the toolkit addresses frequently asked questions that importers have asked about regulations, advocacy opportunities, compliance, and best practices, offering quick and practical guidance for navigating the complex seafood import environment. Visit the Advocacy page to explore advocacy strategies and examples of real-world policy engagement. It covers practical approaches such as participating in public comment periods, joining industry coalitions, collaborating with regulators, and sharing lessons learned through workshops and letters. These examples show how seafood companies can make their perspectives heard and help shape seafood regulations. Visit the Resources page for additional support, including frequently asked questions and a resource library. The FAQ section answers common questions you may have about import control programs, differences across programs, industry advocacy, and staying informed. The resource library features supplemental reports and reference materials that can be utilized to gain a deeper understanding of some of the topics mentioned across the toolkits. While we focused on the Importer Toolkit today, remember that there are tailored resources for other major roles in the seafood supply chain. Explore the full set to find the toolkit that fits your company's needs, and use it to take an active role in policy advocacy, a key component of responsible sourcing. Visit fishwise.org/advocacy toolkits to get started. The seafood industry has a powerful voice. Use the Advocacy Toolkits to make an impact.